Being a part of the ALGO community has helped me tremendously. It has taught me how to analyze products, something that I wasn't familiar with. So being able to do that has, let me be able to gain sales. Since joining ALGO, my money, that has changed significantly. ALGO has helped me discover how to source products, how to develop relationships with wholesalers, and how to, find the best vendor to work with. The ALGO community has been a great experience for me. Tim, I watch his videos multiple times. It's just helped the business tremendously. It is important for Amazon sellers to attend events like this because it grows your product awareness, it helps with your business, you're able to find products, you develop relationships, so I think this is a must. I would say joining ALGO would be the right thing to do if you want to become an Amazon seller because there's so much information out there, but they put it in a uniformed way to give you step by step so that you can grow your business.